Hey guys, Praveen here, and today we're going to see how I connect Figma with Codex. So after you've designed everything in Figma and it's time to move this to code, I usually use Figma's MCP. So if you go to dev mode here, and in this right side bar you can see clients, Figma MCP clients. So here you can install Figma MCP to Cloud Code, Codex Desktop, Cloud Desktop, and Cursor. I usually use Codex Desktop or Cursor. So you can just click on this and this will open in Codex. I'll show you that in a second. But here in dev mode you can see I have all the things I want. So this is the example prompt, and it shows how many tokens it will take. So 91k, all the Figma files, things like dashboard, landing page will take a lot, but it's okay. Up until like 250k tokens you can use. Recent models are up to like 1 million tokens, so it doesn't matter that much. But yeah, copy example prompt, and this has everything. So this has background colors, all the colors that you have. So if you have chosen Tailwind CSS or ShatCN variables, you can just use those. So here I have like ShatCN variables, everything, so it's pretty easy except for the logo colors. Everything else is ShatCN colors. So say simple things like the typography colors, everything matches very well to ShatCN or Tailwind CSS, so it's easy to use those. And Figma gives all the brand assets as just assets. So any images that you have, everything will be simple assets that the MCP can use easily. So Codex can see, Codex or Cloud Code can see all the assets, all the colors, all the patterns that are used here, and copy this exactly how it wants. So once I have that, I'll just copy this example prompt, and if you want to install, you can just click this get Figma integration and it will open in. So this is the Codex app or ChatGPT app. So it will open in the Codex app, and here you can click on after installing. I have already installed. After installing, you can click on try now, and this will give an example prompt. I'll just remove that and add my prompt. So implement this design from Figma, and it has the exact URL. I copied this from, when I click on this integrations page, it will give me this example prompt. So I just copied this from here and I can use it. One small thing is you should always change this to download. So if there are any images in this especially for landing pages design, you will have images, so it will directly link it to Figma, which is not good. So change the server settings to download, which will give the images directly to Codex, which in Codex it can download and put it in our public folder in our website. So it's easier to update it later on. So yeah, that's perfect. So now we'll go to Codex, and yeah, here we have this, implement this design in Figma and everything. So I'll just change the directory to something I know. Yeah, and I'll send this off. So yeah, this is going to take a while, but it will capture exactly what we have in the design, because this project already has ShatCN variables, everything configured. And if I have this new design, it will just go in, update the page that I want with this specific design, and it's getting the context from Figma now. So it has everything that it needs, and it will get all the text, all the frames from Figma. So it is simple change, and now it knows what it has, and it will download all the images, it will download all the fonts if needed, and it will use it in our code. So it's very easy to create new code, create new pages. If you already have a website, it's very easy to create new websites, everything in here. So yeah, try it out. It's dev mode needs a pro account, I think. So you should have a pro account for this, and try it out. And Figma dev mode, copy the example prompt from MCP, and you can have two-way connection with anything you want. And if you want to add if you want to have default tailwind colors and Shatsian variables, check out my plugin called Niram. Go to here. Yeah, so this will generate all the Shatsian UI designs variables you want. Yeah, so yeah, that's it for today. I'll see how this goes. This will take a while. It's seeing the images and it will generate exactly what we asked for. So yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.